What's up? It's just Axman here. Today I'm doing a shooting test on my L96. Now I'm not like a professional big old sniper, but I'm just doing a little shooting test. So hopefully this works. Now my scope is a little off to the left. Hopefully I can fix that. There we go. Off, down. Reset. Yeah, it's a reset. Now I'm just going to do the entire mag. Oh, mess. Another mess. So 3 hits and 2 misses. Oh shit, I'm tilting it towards the actual. Okay, that one you can see it move. Okay. So about 4 misses and 4 hits. Wasn't really anything. But so far, that was 4 misses and 4 hits. Oh yeah, this is May 1st. I believe it was last night Bin Laden was killed. Hooray. So, oh, that's a mess. Just a minute. Okay, I want the little one that time. Now, no scoping. See if I can hit one. Little one. Better, hopefully, no scoping and quick scoping. Especially on video games. I'm gonna try to quick scope this one. Close! Close, you can see it off the side. Probably gonna come out right now. Gonna quick scope this one. 5, 1, 2, 3. Reset. Okay. So I believe that should be the entire mag, or as much as I wanted to reload or put in there, or actually shoot. But yeah. Huh. Got about 2 more shots. Take that. This round. Okay. 2 more shots. No, I think it's 3. Do this. 2 more shots. Just doing it really quick here. Last shot, I believe. Missed, but almost hit my computer. Okay, no scope. Okay, complete no scope. See if I can hit it. Miss. Okay, so that's all for today. Just bringing you this shooting. I lost count of how many I shot, but so what? So please rate, comment, and subscribe. Please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe. See ya. Bye.